Hello students, in this video we are going to start our fourth E exercise of fourth chapter exponents. So question number first that is every hour a cell divided into two cells. See, a cell is like this one is cell. Each hour it is divided in two cells like this. Which expression represent the number of cells after 5 hours? You can see in first hour it will be divided in two cells. In second hour it will be divided like this in four cells. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. This is in second hour. Here you can see in first hour it is 2, in second hour it is 4. Means we can write it as 2 to the power 2. In third hour it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Means 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 it will be. Means in third hour it is 2 to the power 3. Same way in fourth hour it will be 2 to the power 4. So what will be in fifth hour? Fifth hour it will be 2 to the power 5. So our answer will be 2 to the power 5. Now come to question number second, that is a certificate of pedigree lists a dog's parents, grandparents and so on. The power 2 to the power 6 describe the number of great grandparents a dog has. How many is this? So what you will do in this, 2 to the power 6 is written. So it is describing the great grandparents. So it will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be equal to 2 to ja 4. Again these two 2 to ja 4. Again these two 2 to ja 4. So it will be equal to 4 4 ja 16 into 4. So it will be equal to 64. So answer will be 64. Same way question number third is the sun is the center of our solar system. The sun is the star closest to our planet. The surface temperature of the sun is closest to 10,000 degree Fahrenheit. Write 10,000 using exponent. See, the temperature is 10,000 degree Fahrenheit. You have to write it in scientific notation or using exponent. So what you can write it as, see here, this is 1 2 3 4 zeros are. So we can write it as 1 into 10 to the power 4. This we can write, or simply you know that 1 if we are multiplying it will be the number itself only. So we can write it as like this also, and 10 to the power 4 also. That's your choice. Now come to the next question, that is question number 4. To save money for a video game, Ajay puts 1 rupee in an envelope each day for 8 days. He doubles the number of rupees from the day before. How much will be saved on 8th day? He is saving 1 rupees in an envelope. 1 rupees he is saying, and each day it is getting double. So he is saying each day double amount, double of the number rupees from the before. So in first day, after first day he will have 2 rupees. Double of 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1 we can write 2 rupees he will have in first day. In the same way, what he will have in second day, double of 2, it will be 4. Means 2 to the power, here is 1 2 to the power 2. 4 means 2 to the power 2 we can write. Same as we have done here. So this is the second day. In the same way, second day is 2 to the power 2. So what will be the money in 8th day? It will be equal to, money in 8th day will be 2 to the power 8. So what will be the value of this one that we can calculate? It will be 6 times we multiplied here only, so it is 64 into 7 into 8. So it will be 64 into 2, 4 to the 8, 6 to the 12, 128 into 2, so it will be equal to 156. Sorry, 2 1 2, so it will be 2. So 256 rupees it will be. 256 will be our answer. Same way, question number 5. Question number 5 is, in Kalpana's school, one person will contact 4 people and each of those people will contact 4 other people. See, if one person it will contact 4 peoples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people it will contact like this, and each of these will be again contact each of these people, do this so on. How many people will be contacted in the 5th round? See, in first round like this it will be, means 4 people are there in first round. So in second round it will be 4 to the power 2. It will be like this. Each of them they will be contacted to the 4th people. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, like this. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. How many are? 4 4 just 16. So 4 to the power 2 we can write 4 4 just 16. So in the same way, in the 5th round, this is second round, this is first round, this is second. In the same way, in 5th round, what it will be? It will be equal to 4 to the power 5. So whatever the value will be, that will be your answer. So you can do it here, that 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So it will be equal to 4 4 ja 16, again 4 4 ja 16 into 4. So it will be equal to 16 into 16 we can do here. It will be 1 6 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1, 6. 256 into 4. So it will be equal to 1024 people. So in 5th round you will meet with 1024 people. Now come to next question, that is question number 6. The population of a certain town, question number 6 is, the population of a certain town triples every decade, means in 10 years population triples. Population triples. This, if the population in 2000 was, see, initially in 2000 population was 45000. This was the population in 2000. So how many people will be living in this town in 2050? So in 2050, how many people will be living here? See, we know that in 10 years population get triple. So here how many decades will be there from 2000 to 2050? See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, means 5 decades will be there. See, in 10 years population get triples, means in first 10 years it will be 3, for second it will be 3 to the power 2, for third it will be 3 to the power 3, like this. For fifth decades it will be 3 to the power 5. For fifth decades the population will get triples like this. And what was the basic population there? That was 45000. So it will be our answer, 45000 into 3 to the power 5. After solving we can get the result. Now come to next question, that is question number 7. Question number 7 is, a painting is made of 3 concentric squares. See, concentric means same center. See, first square it is, second square it is, and third square it is. And this is the same center for all these. A painting is made up of 3 concentric square. The side length of the largest square is 24 centimeter. Square it is, so it is 24. So length, height as well, it will be 24 centimeter only. What is the area of the painting? So what will be the area of painting? That area will be this much, whole area. So how we'll find out? We know that area of painting will be equal to area of a square, that is 24 into 24. So 4 4 ja 16, 1 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, 4 2 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. So it will be equal to 6 576. So area of painting will be 576 centimeter square. This will be our answer. In the same way you can do the remaining part. Question number 8, 9 and 10th I am doing here. Just see question number 10. Question number 10th is, bacteria can divide every 20 minutes. So one bacteria can multiply to 2 in 20 minutes. See here is a bacteria, like this one is our bacteria. So what it will do in 20 minutes, after 20 minutes what will happen? It will be divided in 2. So it will become, from 1 it will become 2, like this. And after 40 minutes it will be multiplied itself. So it will become, and 4 in 40 minutes. So in 40 minutes it will become 1 2 3 4, like this. These are the bacteria. So in 20 minutes it was 2, in 40 minutes it become 2 to the power 2, in next 40 minutes, next 20 minutes, it means in next 60 minutes it will be 1 hour. So in 1 hour it will be 2 to the power 3. So what we have to find out here, so how many bacteria will be there in 6 hours? See, in 1 hour it is 2 to the power 3. So in 6 hours it will be, see, 6 hours is equal to 6 into 60 minutes is equal to 36 minutes. So in 20 minutes it will be 2, in 40 minutes it will be 2 to the power 2. So in 360 minutes, in 360 minutes it will be 360 divided by 20. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, means 18 times. So in 6 hours bacteria will be 2 to the power 18. So we will find out the value of 2 to the power 18. 262144 bacteria. Like this you can solve. Thank you.